So this is the Shutterfly Canada site, and let me try to log into the site through some account ID I have created. So this is basically a business for creation of different photo products. As you can see, cards, photo books, prints, marks, this kind of products you can create. And whenever some user comes to the site, they try to upload their images, personal photos or images, and we have given some options like Google Photos, Facebook, and they can also upload from their device. So let me go to Google Photos and show you the workflow how they can access their Google accounts. So this is the page where they can log into their Google Photos account, and when they're coming for the first time to the site, we are asking password to the users. So once they provide us the password, they will be able to log in. So before that, I'll show you the privacy policy and terms of service, which we have mentioned clearly what it says about Shutterfly Canada or the Costco site. So what is the Shutterfly Canada privacy policy, how it collects user information, and what kind of information is being collected, how users or the site is going to benefit out of that, and is it for purpose, business purpose, or personal purpose. Everything is mentioned over here, and users can check, and they make themselves aware of the privacy policy. Once they are okay with this, they can also go ahead and see, check the terms of service where we have mentioned uh, Shutterfly Canada terms of service. So here the users will come to know different why, I mean, how is it like to use Shutterfly Canada. So all this, and making purchases, what are the different websites used, what are the different third parties software services. So all these things have been mentioned for the benefit of the users can access, and once they are okay with the privacy policy and terms of service, they can say next. Yeah, this page is coming because our site is still not verified from Google. So after that, once the user gives their Google account ID, Google account ID and the password, they will be shown this page where again we have mentioned the privacy policy and terms of service very clearly. I have shown that to you in the previous stage. So once the user is okay, they can say continue. After this, we are showing this page where we have mentioned the scopes we want access from the users. So these scopes are clearly mentioned that we want Google Photos or Photos Library access only. Other than this, we do not ask any additional details or additional access to the user information or user data which is there with Google. So yeah, these two scopes are clearly mentioned here. Once a user is okay, they can say continue. And after that, they are expected to see the their library or their Google Photos, all the Google Photos inside this picker window. Yeah, I'm able to see it now. So yeah, let it stay. So So different images are being, whatever they have in their Google account will be shown. They can select any image they want to use within our products and say done. After which the images will be imported to the Shutterfly Canada site, and they can directly click on this view album option, and yeah, recently selected images or imported images, as you can see, these images have been uh, copied or imported to our site. So with this, the user can try to create some products of their choice. So if I click on prints here, so it is saying some low resolution. This image I do not want to use. So these three images have been already imported, which probably I can try to buy from the site. So you'll see this is how the products have been added to the cart, and eventually the user can go and buy the product. Now coming to one more flow where I showed you initially how the user has given us access to their Google Photos account. So they can also remove that access, or yeah, they can disconnect. Yeah, this provision has also been provided within the site. Right now, maybe there are some issues. Yeah, that access to the Google account has been removed from the site. Now, tomorrow, if the same user wants to connect back to their Google Photos account, they can do so. And yeah, this is the account I used earlier. But this time, there is slight difference where we are not asking the user any password, repeated password. This time we are straight away asking only the access to the scopes which have been added in this page. So there are no passwords exposed, and the user can directly say continue, and they should be given access to their Google account. Yeah, they should be able to now. Yeah, they should be able to see what's there in their Google Photos account and eventually use it for creation of different products.